Yeah, alright, yo, Papi Vlogs here. Check this out. I got a new shotgun microphone. It's Comica CVM-VM10 II. Alright, as promised, this the Comica CVM-VM10 II. I'm gonna show you this one. Right, hard shell. Alright, ayan na siya. Alright, the manuals, notices, and quick guide. And that's it. Alright, CVM-VM10 II. Look. This is the stand. Alright, and the plug for smartphone, and the plug again for camera, camcorder, and the dead cap, the famous dead cap. And this one, ewan ko anong tawag dito. I don't know what to call this. Alright, ito yung ganyang stand. Alright, I'm gonna use this on my phone. Alright, my iPhone 7. I have this mount. Just got this mount, phone holder, and maganda siya because it has cold shoes mount for our Comica microphone. Alright, that's it for vlogging. Perfect for vlogging. Alright, just put this smartphone plug here. Yan. Okay, syempre iPhone to, so kailangan natin ng kanyang adapter. Alright, so adapter. Yan. Pause. Alright, that's it. Alright, we're gonna try this one. Now I'm gonna switch here. Now I'm using my iPhone 7 Plus. Now you can hear the iPhone's internal microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Alright, and now I'm gonna use the Comica CVM-VM10 II. Alright, and now again I'm using iPhone 7 Plus now with the Comica CVM-VM10 II installed. Alright, hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Alright, I hope you can hear the difference between the two. And now I'm using the Comica. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Alright, ngayon gamit ko sa outdoor is the internal mic of iPhone 7 Plus. Rotate natin testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
12 seconds later.
This is the sound of Comica CVM-VM2 outdoor. Testing 1 2 3. 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 Alright,
5 minutes later.
ayan, dito pa rin tayo sa crowded na place. Ayan, again, I'm using the internal mic of the iPhone 7 Plus.
12 seconds later.
And now I'm using the Comica CVM-VM10 II. Siguro narinig yung difference between the two. Yeah. Alright. Syempre, nagtatanong kayo kung magkano ito. It's, I think, 2,100 plus, something like that. Hindi ko na maalala exactly yung presyo. I'm gonna put down the link below where to buy this gorgeous microphone at Lazada. Alright. And syempre, ano ba bang gagawin natin? Montage time! Alright! And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up tayo dyan mga guys. Please do comment, like, share, whatever. Comica CVM-VM10. Alright, try nyo guys. Mismo. Ayan Alright, again, this is your Papi Vlogs. Signing out.